Yeah, hi, welcome again to another session of Torah Thoughts of approximately 3 minutes in duration. Review and refer to the given Torah source. You know, in the world, the Jewish population of the world is 0.01% of the world population. And for instance, like there are really only 7 million Jews in little tiny Israel, and for instance, India has 1,030,000,000. So you can match up these giants, and you can see that amongst the Jewish people, there are out of proportion the numbers of intelligent people. Not that there are not intelligent people in the rest of the world, but proportionally speaking, there is a greater percentage of intelligent, high IQ Jews. And we can see in the Nobel Prize, the 28% of the Nobel Prize winners are Jews. And you say, well, how did that happen? Well, listen, it's like cause and effect. Well, their parents were very intelligent, and that's why they learned Talmud, or they had way back geniuses. But it's not the case. I mean, you see poor people, poor low IQ producing geniuses amongst the Jewish people. Far out of proportion than we have in the general populace. And the reason that was given is because God gave those IQs to the Jewish people. God gave those high IQs to the Jewish people because with those high IQs, they were to fix the world, so to speak, meaning that they should show the world the uniqueness and beauty and the belief of one God by showing all his creations and whatever means we can to have the world come to realization that there's only one God, the God of the Jewish people, God of our forefathers Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, as it says in 28:14. In Genesis, Ufaratzto Yomon Kedmo B'Tzafona V'Negbo. You should spread out to the four corners of the world, north, east, west, and south. And that's what we see. These organizations, no matter how far we have been decimated, will still go back. And even though we're hated, and we still will remain in our post. And try to be a light into the nations, and that is our strong desire to fix the world, and hopefully we will come to that realization, and all those geniuses will make good use of their inherited given IQ of higher intelligence, and use it for. Not for lawyers and doctors solely, but to spread the uniqueness that there is one God, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And that will stop this anti-Semitism that the world is so worried about, because it says over there in Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 47, because you did not serve your Lord your God in happiness and joy, then I will make you serve your enemies with scarceness and hunger and servitude. Thank you.